So a hairpiece or a hair system gives unrivaled density, a density which cannot be replicated by any other means, and least of all, a hair transplant. So in this patient, a 35-year-old patient of Indian descent, I will describe how increasingly patients who wear wigs or hair pieces or hair systems are resorting to having a hair transplant for the hairline alone, so that a hair piece can look more natural. The only giveaway of a hair piece today is the hairline. By looking keenly at the hairline, one can easily make out that this is an artificial hair piece. This patient received a failed hair transplant some 5 years ago, but when he came for revision to us, there was no possibility of giving him a head full of hair which he desired. There was complete lack of donor area. There was miniaturization, extensive miniaturization in the scalp donor, and this could not in any way meet the patient's objectives and the goals he had set out for his hair restoration. Many people resort to a hair piece in the first instant as well, and then they just cannot take it off, because the density of a hair piece cannot be compared to the density of a hair transplant. A hair piece has supernatural density. You can put as many hair fibers, you can put as many hair strands in a hair piece, but you cannot put as many hair strands in a hair transplant for obvious reasons which have been discussed elsewhere. So in this patient, we gave him a mix of scalp and beard grafts for the hairline. Why beard grafts? So as to match the density of the hair piece. And now he's come to us for further addition of grafts, because overall he has paucity of grafts from the body as well as scalp donor. So you can see when he wears the hair piece, nobody can tell. The hairline is natural, and on top of that and towards the crown, the hair system gives him the look of a head full of hair. The only way to make a hair piece, the usual hair piece that you get in the market today, the only way to make it look natural is to get a hair transplant along the hairline. Otherwise, the compliance to a hair piece is very dismal. People wear a hair piece for some time, and once they realize that it is a huge giveaway of their baldness, they take it off. So if you want to continue to wear a hair piece, you may like to consider a hair transplant along the hairline and the temple points. So this is the message from this video. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.